Aha. What does aha mean in the context of problem solving? Imagine suddenly understanding a tricky puzzle or realizing how to fix something that was confusing before. That moment of clarity is what we call an aha experience. It is a sudden insight that makes everything click. When we solve problems, our brains go through several steps. First, we recognize what the problem is. Then, we try to come up with a plan to fix it. We test that plan and see if it works. But sometimes, we get stuck because our minds get caught in a pattern or think about things in a limited way. This is called mental set or functional fixedness. The aha moment happens when our brain suddenly reorganizes the information. We see the problem from a new angle or perspective. For example, in a classic puzzle, people often think they cannot extend lines outside a square, but then they realize they need to think beyond the boundaries. That realization is the aha moment. Several strategies can help trigger these moments. Breaking a problem into smaller parts makes it easier to handle. Working backward from the solution can reveal hidden steps. Using ideas from similar problems, called analogical reasoning, can spark new thoughts. Sometimes, taking a break allows the unconscious mind to work on the problem without us realizing it. Brainstorming many ideas without judging them can also lead to unexpected solutions. The aha experience is closely tied to creativity and flexible thinking. It involves parts of the brain that plan, remember, and pay attention. When these parts work together, they help us see solutions we might not notice at first. Knowing how aha moments happen can help us solve problems better. For example, stepping away from a problem for a little while can give our brain time to process. Challenging assumptions and looking at things from different angles can open new pathways to solutions. In the end, the aha moment shows how our minds can suddenly reorganize information and find answers in surprising ways. It is a fascinating example of how problem solving and thinking creatively work hand in hand to help us understand and navigate the world around us.